Do you have a plain, boring, or damaged wall? Probably because you ripped all of your art out before. And do you also have lots of unused mangas just lying around there with no use at all?
And do you have some tape lying around?
Then you can make a manga wall.
Well, for this project, you're just gonna need these kind of tape. This one is too big, but then again, you can chop them in half and make it work. But do not use this tape because it will not stick to your manga panels and it might just fall off or just get sticky. You're also gonna need a pair of scissors. For the manga pages, you're gonna need a few mangas and a knife. An X-Acto knife to be exact. And here you see there's a rim right here. You're going to cut that. You're going to dig in like this with your knife and then just press down. Make sure it's straight. Each manga panel has 4 corners and you're going to use tape around 4 centimeters like this. Fold it onto itself into like a loop. Stick it at the back here and stick it right onto the wall. Make sure it's pressed down nice so then it doesn't like fall off.
This was my wall before when it still had art on it. So here's just the time lapse of me sticking my manga panels on the wall. Enjoy, I guess. This is optional, by the way, but you can split your manga piles into 2. One pile being the sides of the mangas that you don't actually care about, and the other being the ones that you actually enjoy reading or that part of the manga you like, and stick the ones that you like close to where you would normally see them, and the rest just put them near the border or something where you won't actually notice them. So for me, cutting up my manga and selecting them into the piles that I like, don't like, then cutting up all of my tape individually so I can stick them to every corner, and then just sticking up one whole manga up on my wall. Took me around 2 hours, so please keep that in mind when you're trying to do this project because it's pretty time consuming. If you don't have a manga or you don't want to sacrifice one of your mangas for your wall, just print out your favorite manga pages and make sure to have a good pair of scissors on hand because that would be really helpful.
So here is my wall covered in mangas. This entire wall only took me 2 mangas and maybe I need one more to cover up that right there and a little at top right here. And because I put on like a random manga in so suddenly, I didn't plan anything out, I just put one randomly, I ended up with this, an uncovered part of my wall. Maybe I'll just cut more mangas out and then stick it onto there. And yeah, as you can see down here, it's covered.
I will now show you the wall. Here it is in its full glory. Beautiful. That'll be it. Goodbye. See you next time.